We started a robotic cardiac surgery program at Sheba and did a very nice and successful mitral valve repair. With the Vinci robot, we can perform minimally invasive cardiac surgery for mitral valve repair, mitral valve replacement. It can be other valves. It was actually a great surprise for me because, first of all, the Vinci system gives us very good visualization. We can see all details of mitral valve or tumor, myxoma, and the ability to move hands of the robot. It's really better than the ability of surgeon's hand. And of course, this can be very good for patients because our last patient was dismissed home 3 days after surgery. And it could be done even 2 days after surgery in perfect health. So small incision, very precise and exact surgery, and very easy actually, surprisingly easy for me. Really a great device and great future for minimally invasive cardiac surgery.